Yes, good morning student. Welcome in YouTube channel class 11 chapter 2 relation and function. In last video we discussed the types of function. Again I repeat the types of function. First function is identity function. What is identity function? You have to learn the definition, domain and range. So first is identity function. A function f is defined from real number to real number such that fx is equal to x for all x belongs to R. Domain of f is set of real number and range of f is also set of real number. Second is constant function. Constant function हमने डिफाइन किया था. इसका ग्राफ बना के देखें आप. ग्राफ इज ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड. ए फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फ्रॉम रियल नंबर टू रियल नंबर सच दैट एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू के. एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू के और सी वेयर सी और के आर रियल नंबर्स. So domain of f is set of real number and range of f is constant k और c. और इसका ग्राफ बनाएंगे आप. Then graph is a line parallel to x axis. As constant is positive when line is above the x axis. If constant is negative then line is below the x axis. थर्ड टाइप बताया था हमने पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन ए फंक्शन इज डिफाइंड फ्रॉम रियल नंबर टू रियल नंबर सच दैट एफ एक्स इज ए नॉट प्लस ए वन एक्स प्लस ए टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस डॉट 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 ए एन एक्स पावर एन वेयर ए नॉट ए वन ए टू डॉट 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 दीज आर रियल नंबर्स. इसमें क्या है, ये जनरल पॉलिनोमियल है. इस पर बेस्ड एग्जांपल जैसे हम ले एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स पावर 4 प्लस रूट 2x. इट इज टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. इट इज टाइप ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. Next we discussed rational function. Rational function means a function in form of fraction, numerator and denominator, fx upon gx, where gx is not equal to 0. It is type of rational function, fx upon gx. Next is the modulus function, which is important. Modulus function, a function f is defined from real number to real number such that fx is equal to mod x. Fx is equal to mod x, which is equal to minus x if x is less than 0 and x if x is greater than equal to 0. As example, minus 2 या minus 2.3 means minus of minus 2.3, that is 2.3. Since minus 2.3 is less than 0 and 2.3 modulus function of 2.3 is 2.3. Domain of modulus function is set of real number and range of f is equal to positive real number that are closed interval 0 to semi closed interval or positive real numbers including 0. Include 0. Right? Next is we discussed signum function. Sixth is signum function. What is signum function? f is a function defined from real number to real number such that fx is equal to mod x upon x, where x is not equal to 0 and 0 if x is equal to 0, or if x is greater than 0 then mod x is equal to x, so it is 1, and x is less than 0 then mod x is equal to minus x, so minus x upon x is minus 1, and 0 if x is equal to 0. It is signum function. Domain of signum function is set of real number. Domain of signum function is set of real number, and range is the set of three values 0, minus 1 and 1. Next is greatest integer function. Greatest integer function is also important. A function is defined from real number to real number such that fx is equal to greatest integer of x, where it is greatest integer less than or equal to integer, less than or equal to integer. Example, minus 1.5, then greatest integer is less than means minus 2. If it is equal to 1.5 then its integer value is 1. Domain of function is set of real number, and range range of f is integers, set of integers. Next topic is how to find the domain and codomain, domain and range of a function. Example 16. A function is given fx is equal to x square and another function gx is equal to 2x plus 1. You have to find f plus g over x, that is fx plus gx. You can find easily. F minus g of f is equal to fx minus gx, like x square plus 2x plus 1. सेम इसी तरीके से आप कर सकते हैं. f इंटू जी ओवर x मीन्स एफ एक्स इंटू जी एक्स. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द फंक्शंस एफ एक्स इंटू जी एक्स. एंड फोर्थ इज f upon g over x is equal to fx upon gx. Do example 17. A function is given fx is equal to root x and gx is equal to x. These two functions. Same. Do f plus g over x, f minus g over x, f into g over x and f upon gx. सेम आप कर सकते हैं इसको. Next is we start the exercise 2.3. First question: which of the following relations are function? Give reason. If it is a function, then determine its domain and range. 2,1, 5,1, 8,1, 11,1, 14,1, 17,1. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. All elements have image 1. Since each element let it is set A and B, each element of A have unique image in B. So given relation is a function. So given relation is a function. Same parts you can do second and third.